Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about why Isaac Newton is called Sir. I'm sure you've all heard of Isaac Newton, the famous scientist who discovered the laws of motion and gravity. But did you know that he was also knighted by the king? In this video, I'm going to explain the history of knighthood in England and how Newton came to be knighted. I'll also discuss the significance of his knighthood and what it means for his legacy. So, let's get started. History of knighthood in England. Knighthood is an ancient tradition that dates back to the Middle Ages. It is a title of honor that is bestowed upon a person by a monarch or other head of state. Knights were originally warriors who swore allegiance to their king and fought in his battles. Over time, the meaning of knighthood evolved to include other qualities, such as chivalry, courage, and honor. In England, the first knights were created by King William the Conqueror in 1066. Since then, many other people have been knighted, including kings, queens, princes, princesses, dukes, earls, barons, knights banneret, knights bachelor, and ladies of the garter. How Newton came to be knighted. Isaac Newton was knighted by King Charles II in 1671. At the time, Newton was a professor of mathematics at Cambridge University and had already made many important discoveries in science. The king knighted Newton in recognition of his achievements in science and mathematics. He was the first scientist to be knighted in England. Significance of Newton's knighthood. Newton's knighthood was a significant honor for him. It showed that the king recognized his importance as a scientist and that his work was valued by the English people. Newton's knighthood also helped to popularize science among the English people. It showed that science was not just for academics and intellectuals, but that it was also something that could be appreciated by the general public. What does it mean to be knighted? Being knighted is a great honor. It is a recognition of a person's achievements and contributions to society. Knights are expected to live up to the ideals of chivalry, courage, and honor. They are also expected to use their influence to help others and to promote good causes. Isaac Newton was knighted by King Charles II in 1671. He was the first scientist to be knighted in England. His knighthood was a significant honor for him and helped to popularize science among the English people. So, next time you see the word Sir before Isaac Newton's name, remember that it is a title of honor that was bestowed upon him by the king in recognition of his great achievements in science. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today about why Isaac Newton is called Sir. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about science and history. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.